To change screen flash notification color of a specific app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Under notification section, tap flash notification. Below the screen flash notification, tap the setting icon next to selected apps. Find the app you like to change its screen flash notification color. As the example, we will change the screen flash color of WhatsApp to yellow. To do so, find WhatsApp. Tap the color circle next to WhatsApp. Select yellow. You can tap preview to see how the screen flash notification will look like when you select this color. If you are satisfied with the result, tap done button. Given the function, you can do this to help you easily know when you have notification for a specific app by setting your phone to flash the screen with a specific color. In this case, you can easily know when there's a WhatsApp notification when your phone is flashing the screen in yellow. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.